student, this week we are going to learn about comparison. Small, big, medium. Color the animals and vehicles that is big with yellow, small with red and medium with blue. Here are three animals: cheetah, rabbit, camel. Now you have to color big animal with yellow. Which is big animal here? Camel is big. Now let us color it with yellow. Now let us color small with red. Which is small here? Rabbit is small animal. Let us color it. Now let us color cheetah with blue color. It's a medium. Now let us color the vehicles. Which is the big vehicle here? Bus is a big vehicle. We have to color the bus with yellow. Now let us color medium with blue. Which is medium here? Auto rickshaw is medium. Now Let us color small with red. Which is small here? The cycle is small. Next we have near and far. Tick the object which is far from the dog and cross the one which is near. Which is near to the dog? Egg is near to the dog. We have to cross it. Which is far to the dog? Bone is far. We have to tick here. Fast and slow. Tick the object or animal that is fast and cross the one that is slow. Here are two vehicles, boat and aeroplane. Which is fast moving vehicle? Aeroplane is fast moving vehicle. Tick to aeroplane. Which is slow? Boat is slow. Cross here. Next, here are two animals, tortoise and rabbit. Which is fast moving animal? Rabbit is fast moving animal. Which is slow? Tortoise is slow. Cross it. Tall and short. Color the bird and tree object that is tall and circle the object that is short. Here are two birds, sparrow and peacocks. Which is tall here? Peacock is tall. Let us color now. Bird is short. Sparrow bird is short. Now here are some plants. Which is tall here? Coconut tree is tall. Now let us color it. Now let us circle the short. Which is short here? Grass is short. Now here is mug and bucket. Which is tall? Bucket is tall. Let us color the bucket. Now let us circle the short one. Mug is short. Thick and thin. Tick the tree that is thick and cross the thin one. Here is two trees, coconut and banyan tree. Which is thick here? Banyan is thick. Which is thin here? Coconut tree is thin. Long and short. Tick the object that is long and cross the one that is short. Here is two vehicle, train and scooty. Which is long here? Train is long. Which is short here? Scooty is short. More and less. Write M for more and L for less. Here is an insect and here is a bird. Which is more number here? More number is birds. Write here M. Here is less number of insect. Write here L. Here is flower and here is an insect. Where is more number? Flower has more number. Write here M. Insect has less number. Write here L. Here is spoons and music instrument. Where is more here? Music instrument is more. Write here M. Spoons are less. Write here L. Grouping. Color the object as per the color code. Fruits with orange, vegetables with green, utensils brown. Now let us color fruit with orange. Now let us color vegetable with green. Now let us color with brown.